Nirmala Sitharaman, Mr. P. Chidambaram, again, one of your predecessors in the North Bloc, has come out and said that the handling of the COVID situation, second wave, was pathetic. That's what it translates to. And he's questioned the vaccination policy, for which 35,000 crores were set aside in the budget by your government, but you still left states to their own their own situation to try and procure vaccinations, when you would have known that no foreign company is going to entertain different states in terms of purchases. We wasted time of over 6 weeks in allowing states to do this. And when it comes to the real question of federal empowerment on GST, we have situations where Mr. Chidambaram has accused your government of creating a council, a GST council subgroup, which had 8 people in it, but not one from the Congress party. And then post your meeting of the GST council just 2 days ago, Mr. Amit Mitra of the Trinamool Congress had questions raised about the meeting and how his voice was throttled in that meeting. Nirmala Sitharaman, the reason I'm asking you these questions are, today there is no weapon against the coronavirus, it's only the vaccination. The time we wasted, the faltering steps that we have taken, is it going to cause India to pay a much higher price in terms of the COVID impact?
Even as we talk, Navika, there are so many aspects that you've covered. I'll certainly touch on all of them. Today, as we are here, I think we've completed more than 26.5 crore vaccinations. And in the last 24 hours, I've been told that something like 39 lakhs have been vaccinated. The ramping up in terms of the vaccination number per day and also going to the total. China, again, subject to correction, which apparently started their vaccination in August 2020 itself, has completed 30 crores. US has completed 30 crores. And what did I tell you just now? 26.5 crores something, of which 5 crore people have given the second dose also. 21 odd are one dose at least. So the ramping up of vaccination is going at a good speed, and the supplies from both the suppliers are increasing. You already have Sputnik, which is going to manufacture in India other than ready to use, which is coming, and negotiations are going on. Now, did we lose time by giving the states the opportunity to deal with this issue? Did we, or were we asked to give post the discussions which states kept having, and also writing to the Prime Minister saying, why can't the states handle it? Health is a state subject. So obviously, we had to go with the current federal system. Gave them. They've changed their mind and they want to come. All right, we take it. Yes, 35,000 crore being used now. Why not earlier? You wanted to take it, haven't you? Haven't you asked?
No, but how many times have you accommodated states? आपने कितनी बार सुनी है स्टेट्स की बात? डीमो में आपने सुनी, जीएसटी में आपने सुनी, जो ड्यूज पड़े हैं स्टेट्स के, in that have you listened to them?
No, don't give off the cuff dues पड़े हैं. Tell me what dues? Where? Haven't I cleared it all in the GST? Even borrowing I've cleared it. I'll come to that. But then, so states wanted it, they took it, and then no, we don't want it, you take it. We're doing it. And for free. That's a second. Third, the way in which the vaccination is happening for free in all the government hospitals. So vaccination goes. People are going to take it. But the vaccine hesitancy is something on which all of us will have to equally work. Right? And when the states took it also, as much vehemently you may want to ask me, I'm sure you're asking, and I'm not saying please ask, I'm not also saying you're not asking. I'm sure you're asking. The wastage which happened in some of the states. Dustbin, you found vaccines. It's so precious today you can't compare it to anything, but they were in the dustbin. And somebody else, you quoted a line saying BJP looting the economy, looting out of vaccination.
Jharkhand,
Have we seen
Rajasthan.
one tweet from the person who accuses of lying, accuses others of lying, accuses and names people? Pull up his garment. Punjab was looting out of selling the vaccines. Dustbins were
Private.
full of, to private. There no usual, the kind of phrases that he uses. This government is suit boot ka sarkar. Vaccination was for suit boot. And you in between were making money also out of it. So why, please show me, I'm sure he's tweeted saying, I condemn Punjab.
No, obviously.
Looters of vaccine. Did he say that? Probably he did. I don't so keenly watch his tweets. But did he say that? Tell me.
Obviously not. Obviously not. But he did say, guys, Modi Mitra-centric privatization drive won't help the public. Nyay will. This is what he has said. He has not, of course, talked about vaccine wastage.
Nyay is to loot from vaccine. Nyay is to put vaccination, the vials, into the dustbin. Nyay is also to make sure that you add to the vaccination hesitancy. Now, every public personnel have been asked, have you taken the vaccination? When did you take it? Because earlier what was the narrative? When we started for vaccination for the frontline workers and doctors, what was the question asked? In such irreverential tone. I mean, it's all right, you don't want to. Oh, did Modi take the injection? Did he get vaccinated? At that time, Prime Minister gave the priority for doctors, nurses. The question was, did you take it? Because you don't trust it, you don't take it. And a lot of my colleagues have asked this question, and I would like to take this opportunity to say, because they lead big political parties, there are a lot of people who derive inspiration and motivation from such leaderships. Have the dynasty members taken any vaccine? And if they have, why haven't they put it out? After all, it can inspire a lot of congressmen. I'm asking, has Srimati Sonia Gandhi taken a vaccination? Has Rahul Gandhi taken vaccination? Has Srimati Priyanka Vadra taken vaccination? It'll inspire a lot of congressmen. It'll remove vaccine hesitancy. Please, I wish they come out and say, yes, we have, and this is where we took it, and here's my certificate. I wish they do it.
No, but that certificate has a picture of the Prime Minister, which is why probably there is
Never
a
mind,
hesitancy.
they can just at least say verbally that they've already taken and they took it at so-and-so center. No need to recognize the Prime Minister of the country. They don't seem to want to, give that advantage to the Prime Minister. Never mind now. Let them say it out.